Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. You could grow a garden anywhere and you could take it anywhere. With the new Vego Garden elevated raised bed that comes with wheels, you could push your garden anyway. Wherever you want to grow garden today, Vego make that possible for you. This what came in the box. I got the green. It comes in many different type of color and size. Really nice. You can see like the corner piece, they already weld that piece on. That will be very easy to assemble, and that boxes all the wheels. Here we are. She is gorgeous, beautiful, massive. They come in many different type of colors and size, but I love it. The wheel, and you have brakes, so you could brakes it up so it doesn't move, but you could move it anywhere you want. Look at the inside. Right here, this bottom is rust free, no rust for many years to come. It's a high-tech, good quality, eco-friendly, and the way they make it, the water will go on in here, it will leak through on the corners and stuff like that, so you do not have to worry about overwater, any rust or any problem or anything. This is top of the line quality. You don't have to put sticks or bricks or anything. You could just fill it up with soil if you want, but I'm gonna put a couple sticks in the bottom and put some of my kitchen scraps and then fill it up with soil, which I like to, make use of everything. One thing I always said before planting, you got to press down the soil really good with your hand. You want to make sure it's settled in there, and then water. You got to water it well. Water it well before planting anything. Even come back next day if you want to let it settle in. How gorgeous this bed is. Amazing. Love it. And Green Tea Garden is not messing around. I already start stacking stuff in the bottom. Who doesn't love an extra space right there to pack stuff like I do? I always have too much stuff. So the whole length of this bed is 8 feet. It comes in 4 feet, 6 feet, and 8 feet. And right here we got 2 feet. And the soil, you're adding up to about 12 inches of soil. Also, you could have option with wheels or without wheels. Wheels also have 2 safety locks. So if you do not want it to move, you just push this down and it will stay still. It's easier to turn by the front wheel, and the back wheel, it's easier to go right or left. You leave top to all the way to the bottom is about 36 inches in height. So no more back pain, baby. So the one thing I noticed with the 8 feet long bed like this, because we stack a lot of soil in there and we put a lot of stuff in the bottom, it's harder to roll the wheels on dirt or weed fabric barrier like I have. If you have it on the backyard, like a patio or front yard or stuff like that with bricks, it's much more easier to roll with the wheel. It's a high quality, very strong, durable quality. Trust me, I had these beds for years. This is just a newer, upgraded model. It's for 20+ year, rust-free, eco-friendly. If you have back pain or knee pain, no more problem. No need to bending over or anything. You just stand up right here, or you could get yourself a high stool and you could garden easily. I'm 6 feet tall and this is amazing. I know some people, the price is very expensive, but to my knowledge, Vego Garden always have some kind of sale or some kind of discount, which is to help people. Also, I give you guys my special discount code. Check in the description box. There's a special discount code that could save you. Right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I just wanted to showcase the new garden bed and how it looks, and I'm gonna give you guys an update video when I'm ready to harvest. I am excited and I'm loving it, and thank you to Vego Garden to send me out this bed. This is amazing. So Grace is the next gardener here on Green Tea Garden. She has my green thumb. She's really good. She's very delicate with the plants, and she understands the plants. She's been helping me transplanting and planting and doing a lot of stuff, even coming up to harvest time. Listen, this is a great opportunity to get them away from the tablet, get them away from the TV and everything. And one other thing too, why I chose a garden bed, especially with a wheel, you can move it anywhere you want. And if you have, like, I'm originally from Queens, so we didn't have no backyard and no soil or no dirt. So if you have even like a balcony or a little front yard or backyard, even with pavers or concrete or anything, you don't have to worry about like breaking up your concrete or digging or going crazy. You could just buy this bed, fill it up with soil, and you could grow all your favorite vegetables right in this bed. And you don't have to go with the 8 feet. They have a 4 feet and a 6 feet too, so you could go ahead and check it out. All right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. We got lots of videos, tips and tricks in growing a better home garden together, and I'll see you guys next time on Green Tea Garden. So bye, mama.